Alright, so I have added some magnets to the lid here so you can see it should hold tight instead of slapping. And this is the first time we'll have the modified oiler here to see if that oils more slowly, so I'm going to fill that up. It is a pretty chilly day out, a bit windy, so it'll probably be hard to start just because it's so cold, but we'll give it a shot and see how the HM-01 runs. And if I can get the HM-01 to run in the cold today with its latest, it's also got the soft return spring and the little bit of reaming in the guide there, so yeah. There's a lot of things to test. I realize I turned the camera on before I put fuel in, so I'll fill this up with fuel too, because it certainly won't run without any fuel in it. All right. Let's see now. Got it on full choke. Make sure we draw fuel up through the intake there. Plug the batteries in. See if I guessed right on my needle setting, because I had it all right. I think I had it. There. Might be flooded already. Oh, there we go. All right. Let's see how well this setting works for us, but that was pretty easy starting after sitting and having to guess the needle setting again.